If you clicked on today's video, you don't know what to do with your life, you don't know your purpose, you can't find your purpose, but you know one thing though, you still want to get some money, this video is for you today. Because trust and believe, I've been there before. Matter of fact, I was just there last year. I didn't know what to do with my life, but I damn sure knew I didn't want to be broke. And I get it, there's a million things to do in the world, but you can also not know what one thing to even do or where to even start. That's why this video is for you. If you having trouble finding a career path, you don't know what you want to do, you can't find your purpose, make sure you guys tune in today and like, comment, subscribe. What's good, YouTube, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut, and I'm a 21-year-old content creator from Illinois. I do financial, educational, motivational videos just like these. Further ado, let's hop straight to the video because I feel like a lot of people need to hear this, so I ain't gonna do too much yapping, y'all. So first off, I wanna give you guys some confirmation, right? I know a lot of you guys feeling lost right now. You know, it's 2026, right? I get it. There's a million things to do in the world, but you probably having trouble finding out of those million things. What do you want to do, right? You probably been told things. Okay, that don't make no money. This don't make no money. That take too long to do. This don't work. That work. Like we be like Gen Z. Like we're being sold so many different things. Like, okay, do this, do that, do dropshipping, do content, do real estate, do trading. Like we're told to do so many things. Like it's so hard to choose, and you don't want to go into something and then you fail. I get it. Like finding a career path or even college. People saying college is a scam. People saying, oh no, college not a scam. Go to college, you need it. Like I get it. It's so tough, right? And I get it. So this is how I'm gonna tell you guys how you still can at least get some money and why you should at least still get some money while you're getting it figured out, right? Because let's be honest, right? Most people think when you first trying to find something, like most people think it needs to be your passion. You need to be passionate about it. You need a plan first, right? You need money first, or you need a purpose to do what you're doing while you do it, right? I'm gonna tell you guys that clarity comes from motion. And what is motion? I told you guys what motion is a couple videos ago. Having motion, bro, is simply just having a 9-to-5 job, having a stable source of income where you can have money coming in weekly or bi-weekly, right? That's where your clarity gonna start to come from. We're gonna touch that topic later on in the video as we start to break it down a little bit more. But first off, you need motion. So first off, go get that 9-to-5 job. Go get that gig work. Like go get that stable source of income where you bringing in bread, because this is what's gonna help, right? While you trying to figure out what you want to do with your life. And then after that, action usually starts with money, right? So you need to, like I said, you just need to just get your foot in the door and just get you a stable source of income. So this is the second thing about what you need to do while you're in the process of trying to figure out what you want to do with your life, right? You don't need a purpose to start. It's simple as that. You need these three things. You need effort, you need consistency, and you need the willingness to learn, right? You need to be able to pivot, learn, all those things, because those three things alone will get you further than a person who actually knows what to do with their life and they don't have none of those traits. I guarantee you pick up those three skills, bro. Consistency, that's a skill. You're not born with consistency. You're not born to show up every single day. You're not born with effort, right? You're not born with like the ability to like learn quick and to pivot. Those are things that got to be built over time. So you get those three skills down, you're gonna be good first off. So get those three things down. Then you guys need to realize you need to start focusing on some skills, right? Focus on some skills. Instead of asking what's your purpose, ask what skills can I start to accomplish, and can I start to build up, right? Get in my bag. Guys need to get some skills in your bag. But I feel like this is the most important step right here when you don't know what to do with your life, but you still want to get some money, right? Because when you broke and when you lost and when you're trying to figure it out, I'm gonna tell you guys this one thing. Getting money at your 9-to-5 job is gonna be your foundation. It's gonna be the game changer. I get it. We all hate the 9-to-5. We all dislike the 9-to-5 so much. But trust and believe, this is the sauce. Like this is the sauce right here. I'm about to give y'all the sauce. So make sure y'all listen up. Cause last year this happened to me. So money gonna give you that freedom to experiment. Maybe you guys really do know what you want to do with your life. You just need the money. Or you just need the freedom. I feel like in America, a lot of us already know what we want to do with our lives. We just can't do it because maybe we're tied down with a job 24/7, or we got bills to pay and you just got hella shit to do. I get it. That could be definitely holding you back from finding your purpose. Or you already know what you want to do. You just need the platform, which is the bread. You need the money. So going to work, literally, going to work will help you figure out what you want to do. Because I'm gonna tell you guys this one thing. If you keep showing up to work, well, you will soon get an epiphany at work. If you guys don't know what an epiphany is, it's basically where it's that sudden light bulb that goes off of your brain, that insight, that where you just finally just realize a bright, shiny idea. Because it happened to me, right? Last year I was at my 9-to-5 job, and I was thinking to myself, okay, you making good money, you making decent money, you saving good money, and you're a young adult. Young adults struggle every single day to save money all around the world, not just America. Why not go on your YouTube channel where you already got a few thousand subscribers and teach people how to save money from your 9-to-5 job and how to run up a bag from a 9-to-5 job and what you do for work, right? That was my big epiphany that changed everything. Now look at me 8, 9, 10 months later. I'm making consistent content about this, and I'm making a consistent amount of money, and I'm starting to find my path more and more and more. Then soon I'm going to be able to branch off. But it all started from, right, when you showing up to work, and when you just going through the motions, and when you just putting your head down and grinding and you getting money, you're going to start to have an idea. It's going to soon start to get created in your mind. I'm telling you. You see, when you fucking off and stuff, and you're not occupying your mind, and when you're not doing anything, you never gonna find anything. But me, like when I used to be at my 9-to-5 a lot, I used to just be working and working. And you thinking of a lot of ways to get out your 9-to-5. I'm gonna tell y'all that was the reason why the epiphany came in my head. Because when you at work, what are you thinking of right now? If you're watching this video at work, you're probably watching this video because you want to be rich. You're probably watching this video because you want to lead that 9-to-5 someday. So you thinking of hella ways to get rich, right? Or you thinking of hella ways to, like, okay, I want to try this, I might want to do that. That's when that big epiphany gonna pop up in your brain, and it's gonna be the money maker. Trust and believe, it happened to me. That's how it's gonna work. But on top of that, not even just that it came in your head, on top of that, you getting bread on top of while you thinking of a $1 million idea. So it's not just you at home, because a lot of people, where they go wrong at, they sit at home and they think of these ideas and they don't got no motion. You can't be broke and be trying to think of all these ideas. No, get some money and think of the ideas, right? Because it's gonna help. Because once you got that idea, then let's say maybe you want to quit your job, and maybe you want to go all in on this idea, or maybe you need the money to fund that idea. You good already. You already good to go, because you've been doing the most important thing, which is you've been running up the bag at your 9-to-5 job while you've been thinking of that great epiphany. See, it's a game changer, dog. So now you got time to think, you got more confidence, and you got exposure to new ideas and new paths. The options is endless after that, right? Because direction comes from doing things, right? That's where you're going to find your way. That's where you're going to find your path, is because you're trying new things. You're working a job, which you got motion. You're failing, probably. You're probably failing, getting back up, pivoting. You're learning new skills. You're being consistent. You're showing up. You're adjusting. You're improving. Life is direction. That's all it is. So if you need to find your purpose, dog, the simplest thing that you can get up and do is just start doing. Instead of waiting at home, sitting at home, you're not getting any money, you're not doing anything. Go to work, get some money. I promise you're gonna know what to do. Cause that 9-to-5 will motivate you to find a purpose in life. I couldn't find my purpose in life, but I sure damn well knew, okay, I don't want to work this job forever. I can't work this job forever. Something gotta give. That's when it's gonna hit you, dog. So another thing, that's what I'm saying, which leads me to my next topic. You need to look at it like this is just temporary for now. This is just gonna fund the way. This is gonna lead the way for me to get to the promised land, right? This is the temporary hustle mindset. Think about it like that. This is not my forever job. This is just gonna fund the way. This is my sponsor, my foundation. Even if you don't like the work, even if you hate showing up, even if it makes you sick, you know, you tired of it, it's still valuable because money stacks, skills start to stack, discipline starts to stack, motion stacking up, and you can't beat that, bro. So while you figuring it out, you still got motion. That's double motion to me, dog. You getting it figured out, you planning, you got ideas popping up in your mind. On top of that, you got motion coming in. That's a cheat code to me. So if you watching this video right now and you're thinking of ideas and you have ideas at your 9 to 5 and you running up a bag, you're gonna be successful, dog. Just stay down with the process, and those are the people who gonna win. The people who sitting at home, they're like, oh man, I don't want to work, man, because those are gonna be people. They're gonna be behind. The fact that you stepped out there, you're stepping out there, you're showing up every single day, but you know this is not the end goal, you're gonna be successful, dog, and I salute you because that's rare. You know what I'm saying? You're still valuable. Even if you're not doing anything right now, if you're showing up to work and you got ideas, you are still valuable. Alright? Because I'm gonna tell you guys one thing, another thing too. Lost people often win later. I'm gonna tell y'all this. I'm gonna tell y'all why lost people often win later, because they explore a lot more things. They try a lot more things. They probably didn't fail, so they're not afraid to fail again. See, people who don't fail, they don't know how to pivot because they never failed before. I feel like being a 9 to 5 worker puts you at an advantage because you've been there before. You've been at the bottom of the chain of the chamber. You've been at the bottom of the food chain for so long. You know how to fail, pivot, get back up, and try it again, which is the best thing, probably the best traits that you can have in this world. You're gonna fail. You're gonna. Some things aren't gonna work out, but if you know how to pivot, that's everything in this world, dog. I'm telling y'all. Leverage and pivoting is everything that you're going to need to find your way, to figure out what you want to do. Also, you're going to learn how to adapt faster. People who are lost learn how to adapt faster because they've been figuring it out their whole entire life. So the fact that you've been showing up to your 9 to 5, getting motion and just figuring it out, taking the hits, going with the blows, you're going to be dangerous, dog. So keep showing up. Don't ever stop. Also, you're going to be able to learn faster. You're going to be a fast learner. You're going to be quick. You're going to be quick. Not knowing your path is not a weakness, dog. It's actually you're creating flexibility because you're learning how to be in all these different places at one time, but learning how to, you know what I'm saying, you build up all these different ideas. You're trying new things, right? So trust and believe. Keep trying new things, and eventually it's going to be that one idea that's going to hit. It's never, like, think about it. It's never, you're never just going to have that one idea, right? You're never just going to have one idea and you just try it off the rip and it just automatically works. There's going to be a couple things, well, okay, that might didn't work. So you can learn how to pivot. So you can figure out what works, right? Sometimes you got to fail to get it right and keep trying, keep getting up. So if you guys took the video as motivation, right? Do not feel behind because you don't know what to do with your life. You do not know your calling right now. You do not know your purpose. You still can get a bag. You still can get money, and trust and believe it's going to come. All you gotta do is stay down, trust the process. I know it sounds like a cliche, like a lot of people say this all the time, but it's really no other way. It's really no other way than just staying down and trusting the process, because nothing is rushed. Nothing happens overnight. There's no such thing as overnight success. Everything, every progress, every day you show up, you're getting better. 1%. I say this in damn near all my videos. So the ability for you to keep showing up, it's gonna help you find your purpose in the long run, because I know it helped me. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, dog. And remember, all you guys gotta do is just start moving right now and just keep moving. It's gonna pave the way for you. And before you know it, you're gonna know what to do with your life. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know I love this. Y'all know me back with some more content tomorrow. I suggest y'all be here too. Hey, ski.